everyone, this is Kate here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel, and I'm back with another tutorial video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to change email of your Ubisoft account. So if you have registered your account with an email and now you want to change due to some specific reasons, make sure to stick till the end and find out how we can do that. First of all, on your device open a Chrome and then on URL type ubisoft.com. After that, make sure to log into your Ubisoft account and you will be loaded to this homepage as you can see on the screen. Now at the top right hand corner of your screen you will be able to see an account icon, so tap on your account. Now scroll until you see account management, then tap on account management. After that you will be loaded with multiple options and at the top of the list you will see account information, so tap on account information. Here you can edit your private information, so we will head towards edit option on private information section, so tap on edit option. Now you will see your email address that you have used while signing up for Ubisoft account. Here just below your email address you will see an option that says change, so tap on the change. To change your email address, you will be sent an email to your current email address. For that, simply tap on send option that you will see at the bottom of the screen. After that, an email has been sent to your email address. Go back and open email on your device. Here you will receive an email from Ubisoft account support. Tap on there and they will provide you a link so that you can change your email. For that, you will see an option that says you have made a request to change your email address. To complete this process, please click here, so tap on the option that says here. This will redirect to you in this page. Now provide your new email address. After that, just tap on change email. Now go back to the email that you have recently updated and check for email. There you will get a verification code and make sure to type the correct verification code. Once you are done with that, again go ahead and tap on confirm, and in this way you have successfully updated your email. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you have any comments or questions regarding our videos, please feel free to drop them down, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial video.